Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Hagobuy. So if you're a beginner, this video is for you. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Hagobuy. Okay, and then after that, you'd be able to see this website. So you just have to click on it and you'd be directed to this page. Here you just have to log in or sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. And here you just have to type out your phone number or your email, and then just have to create your password, and then make sure to check the box that you have read and agree to the terms and condition of Hagobuy and click on sign up. After that, just click on confirm and you'd be directed to this page where you'd be able to see here different coupons that you can use when you purchase an item. Okay, so for example, we want to use this one. You just have to click on that coupon and then click on the use now option. You can also enter right here a code to redeem it. For example, click on the use now option and you'd be able to see here your order. So you just have to apply the coupon code. Now going back here to the home page, you just have to paste the product link or name or the store link as well, so you'd be able to purchase the product. Okay, so what we're going to do here first is to change the language and then the currency. So we have here different languages, so you just have to choose your language. Then click on confirm after that. Okay, so the next thing that we should do here is to use the search bar at the top and then try to search for an item. So for example, I'm going to search for paintbrush. Let us try if we can find some item from Hagobuy. Okay, so I think it will take a few minutes before we can find items. So just wait. Now let's try to search for another item. Okay, so maybe I'm going to search for curtains. I hope we can find some products now. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and be able to see the result here on the top category. Okay, so as you can see, we have these items now. So if you are going to select an item, so you just have to simply click on it. So we also have this agent shopping form and then the agent shopping form Taobao. So let's go back to the top section. After that, you just have to click on your product or the product that you want to purchase. For example, this one. So just click on it. And then after that, you'll be able to see here now the details of the product. So here you have to read the risk reminder. After that, just click on I have read and agree. Okay, so now we have the details of the product. So we have the name, the price of the product, and the source of the product. You'll be able to see that right here as well. And of course, the variation of the product. Okay, and then if you try to click on it, you'd be directed to another page where you can find more products from this store. Okay, so we have these colors or variations, so let's try to purchase this one. So click on it, and then here for the specifications, let us click on this one, and then for the quantity, I'm going to type out 1, and for the remarks, you can write a message right here when you have a special requirement regarding the orders purchasing. Next, you have to read this risk note. Okay, and then after reading this one, you just have to click on the agree option and click on the buy now or the add to shopping cart. Okay, so make sure to read this risk note right here before you click on agree and click on buy now or add to shopping cart. Okay, after that, just click on confirm, or you can also click on the X icon at the top right of this prompt. Okay, just click on continue and you'd be directed now to the product information. So all you have to do here is to confirm the product information. So we have the product details, the remark, the unit price, and more. So you just have to make sure to click on this box right here and click on submit order. Okay, so now let us try to find a product where we have to paste the link. Okay, so for this one, we are going to use products from Timo. Okay, so let us try to use this product. That's right, and to use the link, just click on the share option at the top and click on copy link. And go back right here and paste here the link. Now click on search. And then if you cannot find here the product from Timo, so here just have to paste the product link in this field. The next one is you have to copy the full name of this product. That's right, and then you have to paste it right here. And then for the specifications of the product, so here this is our specifications. I'm just going to type out block for this one. Okay, and then if you would like to upload images to be sure that they're going to purchase the right products, you just have to upload it right here. Okay, so you can also save this image and then upload it to Hagobuy. That's right, and then for the product notes, you just have to paste it right here, or just write a message only when you have a special requirement regarding your order's purchasing. Next is the fee. So we have the unit price, the quantity, and then the domestic shipping. And you'll be able to see here now the total cost that we have to pay. Okay, the next thing that you should do once everything is done, you just have to click on the agree option and click on the buy now option or the add to cart. Okay, so the next thing that you should do now is to click on this estimate section. So right here we can type out the goods type. Okay, and then the weight, we have the length, the width, and the height. Then after that, we'll be able to estimate if how much do we need to pay for that specific product. Okay, so when you go to your profile right here, you'll be able to see here the user center, the cart, the favorites, and all of your orders. And if you would like to remove an order, so you'd be able to see a bin icon or a trash can icon to remove that specific item. So basically, the Hagobuy is it provides a secure way to buy, consolidate, and ship items globally at competitive rates. So when using the Hagobuy, it is best if you check the product details carefully. You have to verify the seller ratings and understand the shipping options to avoid unexpected cost. And then keeping track of customs regulations and choosing a reliable shipping method ensures a smooth delivery process. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.